How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a super cool 52 3100 pickup done in indigo blue. Super slick, show quality paint. See all the new grille and bumper, all the chrome on this truck's just beautiful. Super straight bodywork. All the panel fitment, the doors are just perfect on this truck. It's got the little dog dish hubcaps on the wheels, just that old school look. Super cool. So they did a rear roll pan. Just a super nice truck. Truck's got about 9,000 miles on it since it was built. I mean, this is a get in, drive it, go to all your shows, cruise, whatever you want to do with it. It's got a 402 big block in it. Got a 700 R4 overdrive trans. It's got a TCI Mustang front end with rack and pinion. It's got 4-wheel disc brakes. See the firewall's all smooth, really clean looking. Tell you, this truck sets right. It's just super nice. Gotta bear with us, the clouds are kind of coming and going, but it'll be back out here in a minute. They did all the interior in a satin finish. You don't get the glare off the dash when you're driving or nothing. Super nice. Like the lighter blue interior in it. Got a 65 Chevy seat in it. Fuel tank's been moved to the rear. Got autometer classic instrumentation in it. It's got all painless wiring harness. Tell you, it's just a super slick truck. It's got a nice hidden spring-loaded latch there for the tailgate, so you don't have any chains and stuff hanging on the outside. They did a nice little mini tub in it. This truck's got a 275/60 tucked up under the back. It's got a Ford 8.8 Explorer disc brake rear end. Super nice truck. A nice little console there in the center around the shifter. Got a cup holder there. They did all the bear claw latches and the doors. They just close so nice. Fires right up. My guy had the opportunity to drive this truck about 50 miles the other day. Said the thing drove perfect. Rides super smooth, nice. Tell you, it's just a super nice truck. You take this thing, go to all the shows, all your cruises, drive it wherever you want to go. You run the thing down the road 65 mile an hour. Check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.